If you're looking for a serious dive watch, these two new Tissot Seastar 2000 Powermatic 80 models definitely deserve your attention. Today we're unboxing two different colorways, and whilst they share exactly the same specifications, they each have a completely different look and feel. As soon as you open the box, you can tell that these are premium watches. The presentation is clean and simple, letting the watches do all the talking. Side by side, it's amazing how much difference the colour can make. One is classic and versatile, and the other one is so much bolder. So let's take a closer look at each of them and start with the blue model. The blue model is probably more understated of the two, but it's far from boring. The textured wave dial really catches the light, giving it plenty of depth and making it look different every time you move your wrist. It's paired with a matching blue rubber strap, which finishes the watch off perfectly and gives it such a sporty look. The stainless steel case measures at 44mm, so it has great wrist presence without feeling oversized for a dive watch. Then you've got a ceramic bezel, which not only looks fantastic, but is also much more resistant to scratches. Inside the watch is the impressive Powermatic 80 automatic movement. As the name suggests, it offers around 80 hours of power reserve, meaning you can take it off for a couple of days and it'll still be running when you put it back on. The hands and hour markers are filled with super luminova, making them incredibly easy to read in darker conditions, whether you're under the water or just out for the evening. And then there's the diving capability, which is insane. 600 meters of water resistance, along with a screw-down crown and helium escape valve. It's not just designed to look like a dive watch, it performs like one too. Now let's look at the orange version. Everything about the watch is the same mechanically, but the colour completely changes its personality. The bright orange wave dial immediately grabs your attention and gives it a more adventurous feel. It's bold without feeling over the top, and it's the sort of watch that guarantees to stand out on the wrist. Unlike the blue model, this one's paired with the black rubber strap, which creates a nice contrast and allows the orange dial to be the star of the show. Just like the blue version, you're still getting the ceramic bezel, the Powermatic 80 movement, 600 meters of water resistance, and all the professional dive watch features you'd expect. The only real difference is the colour and what suits your style. Tissot have been making watches since 1853, and it's one of those brands that consistently offers fantastic value for money. The Seastar collection is a perfect example of that. You get Swiss engineering, a reliable automatic movement, and professional dive watch specifications, all in a watch that feels incredibly well made. So whether you prefer the clean, ocean-inspired look of the blue model or the bold, energetic style of the orange version, both are fantastic options. Now, over to you. Which one are you choosing? Are you choosing the blue one or the orange one? So let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to us, and I'll see you in the next one.